So we are in lesson 18, globalization and technology. Globalization of technology, it is the rapid cross-spread borders, spread and integration of technological leading to increase global interconnectedness and interdependence. So globalization and of technology is silbi mao na siya ang mas dali nga ni kalat ang technology, and then mas mao na pud ang common nga ginagamit para maka-interact sila sa lain-lain, and makagama pud sila og mga unsa ba ay mo na ginagamit sa mga lain-lain nga mga ay sa kasagaran nga mga tao para ma-connect sila sa lain-lain nga nasod. So, definition of terms. Technology. A technique, a process, or a material and good emerging from the use of sciences in addressing human processes. Technology is mauna ang mas common nga ginagamit, and mas gimo na pud sila ang technology is mas gimo na pud siya nga kanang mas a technique mas gimo ang para mas dali para para mas dali nga ma-address ang sa human nga processes. So this is the example of technology nga ang una is everyday tools, complex system, and intangible technology. Technological diffusion, flow of technological technologies across borders. Example is Facebook, smartphones, social media, and internet. In introduction, technology, as we have been taught in our science subject, as that which refers to the application of science. Wahab Rose and Osman, 2012, they have surveyed the literature. So si Wahab Rose and Osman is nagsurvey sila sa literature, and in silang pag-survey is na sila nakita nga kuan mga naay gamay pa jud nga na sila nakita nga na sila nakita nga characteristics sa technologies. So ang purpose jud ato nila is ang purpose ni Wahab, Rose, and Usman silang pag-survey sa literature is to provide a detailed review of existing literature and technology and technological transfer. So, Industrial Revolution or IR, where the humanity has found a way to maximize the available resources that they can tap toward the advancement of their aspiration individually and collectively. So, if there is something so profound in our experience of the modern world, that is the seemingly indispensable role of technology in our daily lives. So technology, as we have been taught, historical, we can glean the technological advancement has trodden along living and often turbulent road, a process commonly referred to the Industrial Revolution or IR, wherein humanity has found to maximize the valuable resources that can tap toward the advancement of their aspiration individually and collectively. Priscora 2016, he cited by Shaw, David, and Kim, 2018, summarized the Industrial Revolution and divided these eras into four lang. So, people in the first Industrial Revolution used to coal as their primary source of energy and created the steam engine.